Hi, it's Chance from Mountain Talk, here with a groundbreaking discovery. I, like any other bloke who enjoys adventuring, always bring along with me a water bottle. As Shigeru Miyamoto once said, "Suiwa wa sego no kagi desu," or, in our tongue, hydration is the key to success. You gotta stay healthy and you gotta keep a clear head, for who knows what you have to face out there. But everyone already knows this, and anybody who recognizes that surely recognizes this.
Your favorite hydrating companion commits the ultimate betrayal and smacks you in the face. The lid of the water bottle is essentially a plastic mace, swinging around and hitting your face.
What's the solution? Velcro. Timmy, try to swing that lid around. He can't! Get the f out of here. All you need to do is go to your local hardware store, spend about $2 getting some Velcro strips, smack them on the side of your bottle, and you've solved the lid-hitting face problem. Now you and your water bottle can continue your strong, everlasting friendship. This has been Mountain Talk Life Hacks with Chance.